switch on your videos. Okay. So, what were we discussing in the previous class? Accountancy. Yes? Yes, what was the chapter all about?
Retirement of a partner.
Retirement of a partner. Okay, yes, retirement. And what is retirement of a partner? What do you understand by that? Yes, please. What is retirement of a partner? Tomlin?
Ma'am, मैंने
Yes?
partner stops business from the partnership. So
When one of the partner retires, not to continue, he is not wishing to continue as a partner in a partnership firm. That is called retirement. And what are the reasons, various reasons for which a partner retires? Hannah, what are the reasons?
Changing the business interest, change of president, health
Hmm.
issues, all these, and as per the agreement.
Okay. So the reasons due to ill health, lost interest in it, the change in residence, these are the various reasons, lost interest in it. Okay. So those are the reasons for the retirement, and we were with calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Okay, how to calculate new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Before that, let me tell you what is gaining ratio. What was gaining ratio? The ratio in which the retiring partners share is distributed among the continuing partners. The ratio in which the share of the retiring partners is distributed to the continuing partners is known as gaining ratio. Yes, remember gaining ratio? And the ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the ratio from the retiring or deceased partner. The ratio in which the share of the retired partner is acquired by the continuing partners. What is the formula? Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Sacrificing ratio was old ratio minus new ratio. But gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. We discussed the differences between sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio also. Okay, sacrificing ratio, the ratio in which the old partners have agreed to sacrifice their share. How are they sharing the profits? The ratio in which the sacrifice is made by the old partners when there is an admission of new partner. That was sacrificing ratio. It was in the context of admission. Gaining ratio is the ratio in which continuing partners have acquired the share from retiring or the deceased partner. And the purpose to share the amount of goodwill paid by the new partner to the old partner. The new partner will be bringing extra amount that is shared among the old partners in the sacrificing ratio. And regarding the goodwill, the amount of goodwill has to be given to the retiring partner, and the ratio in which it is paid, that is gaining ratio. You know the formulas now. Now let's see the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. There are three different situations when the new profit sharing ratio is not given. No information, nothing is given. Only the old ratio, and it is said that one of the partner is retiring. No other additional information is given. We'll discuss the problems. The first case, are you clear with the first case? There are three partners. Their ratio is given 5:3:2, and it is said that Y retires. Okay. Why retire? So I told you there is no need of any kind of calculation. 5:3:2 is the ratio given. X, Y, Z. And it is said that Y is retiring. Y is retiring. So we just have to cancel that share and you get the rest of the share as 5:2. Okay, so see the question, see the peculiarity of the question. The ratio, old ratio is given and it is simply said that one of the partner is retiring, nothing else. So here old ratio and the new ratio will be the same. Gaining ratio is also the same. 5:2, which is the old ratios of X and Z. That is the old ratio. It becomes the new ratio and that is the gaining ratio also. This is the first case. Okay. The ratios are given in the question. The old ratio is given of the three of them. One of them is retiring. Nothing else. No other information. So you just have to strike it off. No need of any calculation. And the other ratio remains the same. That is the old ratio, which becomes the new ratio, and that is the same as gaining ratio. So here you can see a problem. Azad, Vijay, and Amit are partners sharing profits and losses in the proportion 1:4:. Just a second. Okay. 1/4, 1/4, 1/8, and 10/16. This is the way the ratio is given. 1/4, 1/8, 10/16. We have three partners, Azad, Vijay, and Amit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. So both is required. New ratio is needed. Gaining ratio is also required. And three cases are given. This is for Azad, Vinay, and Amit. We have three partners. In the first case, it is said that Azad retires. So before that, look at the ratio, fraction. The denominators are different. Yes, 1/4, 1/8, 10/16. This is the way the ratio is given. So the first thing you do is, we will bring the denominators equal, same. Bring the denominators equal. So you can see the highest denominator, it is 16. You can convert other fractions also. You can make the denominator 16. 1/4, how will it become 16? We multiply numerator and denominator with 4. 1 into 4, 4. 4 into 4, 16. So it becomes 4/16. The first ratio is 2. Next one, 1/8. How do you convert it to 16? Denominator 16. We multiply numerator and denominator with 2. 1 into 2, 2. 8 into 2, 16. So it becomes 2/16 is to 10/16. Now the denominators are same. So the ratio becomes 4:2:10. You can bring it to the simplest form. All these are multiples of 2. So 2:1:5. This is the ratio. This is how we find out the ratio. Now it's easy. There is no kind of calculation required. 2:1:5 is the ratio. And let's see the first case. It is given who's retiring? Azad is retiring. 2:1:5 is the ratio. Azad, Vinay, and Amit. So Azad retires. What happens? We are striking off Azad's share. Azad is going, retiring. So what is the new ratio and sacrificing ratio? It becomes 1:5. Yes. Now, the next one. Vijay retires. Vijay is retiring. Vijay is retiring. So what is his share? That was 1. 2:1:5. So we remove 1. Strike off 1. Now the new ratio and the gaining ratio becomes 2:5. Yes, Shubham? Any doubt? This is the first
No.
situation? No.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now the third case. Amit is retiring. The third person is retiring. 2:1:5 was the ratio. Third person Amit retires. So what happens? We strike off the third one. Amit, removing third one. So again, new ratio, gaining ratio becomes
2:1.
Very good. Yes. So this is the first case. So you understand the question? The old ratio of all the partners are given and only the information is given about who is retiring. One or two of them, whoever is retiring, their names are mentioned. So no kind of calculation is required. We just strike off the retiring partners ratio. Okay, that was the first case. Now let's see the second case. The continuing partners may acquire the share of the retiring partner in an agreed ratio. A particular ratio is given. So the retiring partner's share is taken by the old partner, the continuing partners, not the old partner, the continuing partners based on a particular fixed ratio. Look at the question. A, B, and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. That's okay. Now, B retires. So, the share of B is taken by A and C in the ratio 2:1. So, they are going to take it in a different ratio 2:1. So, we find out the new ratio. New share of the continuing partner is equal to old share plus acquired share from the outgoing partner. I told you about the chocolate case yesterday. You will add the old one with the new received amount, received ratio. Now, here, this itself is the gaining ratio. The agreed ratio is the gaining ratio. 2:1. It is in that ratio they are acquiring the share of retiring partner. So that is the gain that the continuing partners get. So that itself is the gaining ratio. So new ratio is equal to their old ratio plus acquired share from the outgoing partner. Let us see a problem. Pooja, Priya, Pratisha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. The same thing. Okay, 5:3:2. Priya retires. Priya is retiring and her share is taken by Pooja and Pratisha in the ratio 2:1. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. So, old ratio 5:3:2. Priya's share is 3/10. So this 3/10, the other partners, Pooja and Pratisha, is going to share it in the ratio 2 is to 1. 2 by third is taken by Pooja and 1 by third is taken by Pratisha. Okay. So here gaining ratio is this. 2 is to 1 itself is the gaining ratio. So old ratio. How much is the old ratio? 5 by 8 plus 2 by 3. Here in the question, the solution is done in a different way. Share acquired by Pooja. Out of this 3 by 10, 3 by 10, see, 3 by 10 is her ratio. Pooja's 3 by 10. From this 3 by 10, the first person gets 2 by 3. So how much is that? Either way, when you do, you get the same answer. So it is 6 by 30. 3 by 10, which is the share of Pooja, the retiring partner, that is taken by, I'm sorry, the retiring partner is Priya. Okay. And that is taken by Pooja in the ratio 2 is to 1. So 3 by 10 into 2 by 3. That is the share taken by the first partner. Then share acquired by the next partner, Pratisha. Her share is 3 by 10. The old share 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Old share is 2 by 10. 3 by 10 is the share of the retiring partner into her ratio is 1 by 3. She is taking 1 by 3 out of this. So 3 by 30 is taken by her. So old share 2 by 10 plus the share acquired by her 1 by 10. You add it, you get 3 by 10. So the new ratio is 7 is to 3. Okay. Five is to 3 is to 2 is the ratio. Priya is retiring. So 3 by 10 is her ratio. That is going to be shared by the other partners in the ratio 2 is to 1. So 3 by 10 into 2 by 3. That belongs to the first partner. That portion belongs to the first partner. So what is the total? The new share will be old share plus acquired share. Old share is 5 by 10 plus the new share 2 by 10. Again, 3 by 10, the retiring partner's share into the next partner get it in the ratio 1, 2 is to 1, 1. So 1 by 3. So this much belongs to the next partner. So her total, the new share becomes old share plus acquired share. Old share was 2 by 10 plus the new one. Is it over? Yes. Finish? Now the third type, third variety. The ratio between the continuing partners is given. The new ratio is already given. So new ratio, you don't have to find it out. It is given in the question. The new ratio is given. So the gaining ratio will be, what is the formula for gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Femina, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so see the question. Question number 1. Anita, Jaya and Nisha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1:1:1. So they are sharing the ratio. Old ratio is given 1:1:1. Jaya is retiring. Anita and Nisha decides to share the profits in the ratio 4:3. So their old ratios also there, new ratios also there in the question. So how do we find the gaining ratio? New ratio is directly given in the question. So gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. 4:3 is the new ratio. So new ratio 4/7, 3/7 minus the old ratio. Old ratios were 1/3. They were sharing it equally. So 1/3. 4/7 minus 1/3. 3/7 minus 1/3. So this is how you calculate the gaining ratio in this case. So we have 3 cases. The first case, the old ratio were given and it is only said that somebody is retiring. No other information given in the question. In such case, we just strike off the retiring partner's share and the rest is the new ratio as well as the gaining ratio. Second case was that the retiring partner's share is acquired by the continuing partners in a agreed ratio. Something was agreed. And that ratio itself is the gaining ratio, but we need to calculate new ratio. In this case, new ratio is given. We need to find out the gaining ratio, which is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Okay. The 3 cases are clear? Yes. So please do the first problem. Anu, Prabha and Millie are partners. Anu retires. Calculate the future profit sharing ratio of continuing partners and gaining ratio. If they agree to acquire her share, you have 2 cases. In the first case, in the ratio of 5:3 and equally. Equally means what? What is the ratio? Equally means 1:1. 1:1. Very good. 1:1. So please do it. This is the second category. In the question, Anu, Prabha and Millie are partners. So no information is given about the old ratio. If nothing is mentioned about the old ratio, then how is the ratio shared? I mean the profit shared? In the partnership deed, if no information is given about the profit share, how do they share the profits?
Equally.
Equally. Very good. Equally. So here in the question, you can find that old ratio is not given. So that means the old ratio is the profit is shared equally. So 1:1:1. That is the old one. Now here Anu is retiring. So what is Anu's share? It is 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. And according to A, the question A, they are sharing it, acquiring it in the ratio 5:3. So you can quickly say what is the gaining ratio? Gaining ratio in both the cases. Atul, tell me the gaining ratio. Is there anything to calculate? Gaining ratio. What is the gaining ratio? Pavitra, tell me the gaining ratio. Yes, Tomlin.
Ma'am, 5:3.
5:3. Very good. And the second case?
Ma'am, 1:1.
Yeah, you're right. That is the gaining ratio. Here we will be calculating only the new profit sharing ratio. The ratio in which they acquire, this itself is the gaining ratio. So this 1/3 share of Anu. In the first case, Anu will be getting from this 1/3, 5:3 is the ratio in which they acquire it. So 5/8 belongs to Anu. So it becomes 5/24. And now, what is the new share of Anu? Anu is equal to, her old share was 1/3 plus, how much did she get now? 5/24. Similarly, in the case of the next one, who is retiring here? Oh, names are confusing. Anu is retiring. So Prabha will be getting 1/3 plus 5/24. And next person is Millie. Millie also, out of this 1/3, Millie is getting 3/8. So that is 3/24. So old share 1/3 plus 3/24. Are you doing it? See, most of them have kept their videos off. Yes, over. Yes, Tomlin, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Now, see, instead of doing like this, we can also do it in this way. That is old ratio 5 by 3 plus the gaining ratio 5 by 8. Directly also you can do it. Then also you will get the same answer. Here we are finding out of this retiring partner share, how much is that? Based on this share, how much does the continuing partners get? And that is a portion added. Instead of that, we can also do it this way, that is old share plus the gaining ratio. How do we get that? That is, what is the formula for gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. This is the way we do. We know the gaining ratio is this itself. Okay, so new ratio will be gaining ratio plus old ratio. Did you get me? You can take this old ratio to the left hand side. This comes here. So gaining ratio plus old ratio will give you new ratio. So instead of doing this in detail, you can also apply this formula. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Try this. First one, you can do it easily. Quickly you will do and tell me the answer in the chat box. This is the first case. Rahul, Robin and Rajesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2:1. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners if Rahul retires. What happens? Rahul retires. What is the ratio? Rahul, Robin, Rajesh. 3:2:1. Rahul retires. What is happening then? We just strike off Rahul. This is gone. So what is the new ratio of others? It becomes 2:1. Okay. Now the next one. Who's retiring? Robin retires. Robin is retiring. Robin retires means we'll strike off Robin's share. This is gone. Robin is gone. So what will be the new share? It becomes 3:1. And Rajesh retires. Now the third person is retiring. So that is gone. It becomes 3:2. Okay. Now the next question is already done. So this is okay now. Rahul, Robin and Rajesh, that is over. You can straight away write the answer. Over. Ashok, Anil, and Ajay are partners. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1/2, 3/10, 1/5. Anil retires. Anil is retiring. Ashok and Ajay decide to share profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. So this share 3/10, they are going to share it in the ratio 3:2. So what is this 3:2? What ratio is that? Gaining ratio. Very good. That is the gaining ratio. Okay. Now, calculate the gaining ratio. You can straight away do it as this. We know it is some problem. Say calculate the gaining ratio. Question is wrong. New ratio. No, there's some mistake in the problem. Old ratio is not given. Old ratio. Just a second. Treatment of goodwill on retirement or death. So the retiring partner or the deceased partner means the one whose death has taken place, who expired. The retiring partner or deceased partner is also entitled to his share of goodwill at the retirement or death, because the goodwill has been earned by the firm with the effort of that person also. His hard work is also there in this achievement. So that has to be shared with the retiring partner. Now, at the time of retirement or death of a partner, goodwill is valued as per the agreement. We know that. How the goodwill is calculated. The method of goodwill will be given in the partnership deed. We'll give it in the partnership deed. And based on that method, we will find out the goodwill and then we will distribute it. We'll give it to the retiring partner. And in which ratio? Coming to goodwill, we distribute the goodwill in the gaining ratio. The continuing partners will distribute the goodwill in his gaining ratio, in their gaining ratio.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I have a doubt in the previous question.
Okay, ask me. Which one? This one, Ashok?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, isn't 3:2 the new ratio?
Yeah, that's what that Jay decide to share future profit. That is the new ratio. Yeah, new ratio is given.
So we can calculate gaining ratio by new ratio minus old ratio, right?
Yeah. So that was my mistake reading the question. Okay, you're right. Anil retires from the firm. Ashok and Ajay decide to share future profits. You're right. Thank you, Karthik. Yes, that was the new ratio. I considered it as a gaining ratio. That's what the confusion came. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Okay, so that is the new ratio given. Ashok, Anil, and Ajay are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio. So their old ratio is given. And the problem is the denominators are not equal. So we need to bring it equal. Okay. And the given ratio is the new ratio. I took it as the acquiring share. That's why. Now we have to find out the gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please do it. So gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So Ashok's gain is equal to old ratio minus a new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio is 3/5 minus his old ratio 5/10. Please complete. It's already time. We'll do the goodwill in the next class. Okay. So please continue. Work out. It's time to wind up. Finish the problem. And once again, thank you, Karthik. Okay, let's wind up. See you in the next day, on the next day.